Apple just dropped a bombshell on the tech world and no one saw this coming. While everyone else is racing to embrace artificial intelligence, Apple just shocked the world by suggesting that AI, as we know it, might be a giant illusion. Fake, overhyped, and maybe not the future we think it is. What does Apple know that the rest of Silicon Valley doesn't? Stick with me because what you're about to hear could change the way you see AI forever. Welcome back to the channel, where we uncover the truth behind today's biggest tech stories. And today's topic? Apple's stunning statement that has left millions questioning everything they thought they knew about artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll break down what Apple actually said about AI being fake, the evidence they used to back up their claims, why this announcement has sparked massive controversy, how other tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI are responding, and what this means for the future of AI and for you. So what did Apple actually say? During a recent event, Apple executives hinted that the AI hype machine might be running on empty. They argued that most AI features being marketed aren't really artificial intelligence at all. They're just advanced pattern recognition dressed up as something revolutionary. To quote one insider, what the industry calls AI is often just clever coding. It's not thinking. It's not sentient. It's not magic. This statement immediately set the internet on fire. Is Apple calling AI fake? Or are they just trying to distance themselves from the hype? Let's unpack this. Apple's main points are, AI isn't truly intelligent. Current systems, like ChatGPT and Gemini, aren't thinking, they're predicting the next word based on patterns. Marketing over reality. Tech companies are slapping the AI label on everything from cameras to calculators just to drive sales. Apple's alternative approach. Instead of chasing the AI buzzword, Apple emphasizes machine learning, neural engines, and on-device intelligence. Their focus? Privacy, security, and controlled user experiences. In other words, Apple is saying AI is real technology, but the way it's being hyped? That part is fake. This claim has divided the tech world. Some experts agree with Apple, saying AI is just fancy statistics with no real intelligence. Others argue Apple is downplaying AI because they're behind companies like Google and OpenAI. Critics say Apple is scared of losing ground, so they're trying to redefine the conversation. Supporters say Apple is the only company brave enough to expose the hype and tell consumers the truth. Twitter, Reddit, and YouTube are exploding with debates. Is AI revolutionary or just smoke and mirrors? Let's zoom out. If Apple is right, then we're in the middle of one of the biggest marketing bubbles in tech history. Billions of dollars have been poured into AI startups. Stock prices are soaring based on promises that might not be real. This raises huge questions. Are investors buying into a fantasy? Are consumers being misled? And could the AI bubble pop just like the dot-com crash? It's no surprise that Apple's rivals aren't staying quiet. Microsoft, which invested heavily in OpenAI, immediately pushed back, saying AI is already transforming industries. Google doubled down, showcasing breakthroughs in AI-driven search and assistance. Meanwhile, Apple seems to be positioning itself as the voice of reason. Instead of wild promises, they're offering slow, steady improvements. It's a bold move, but also a risky one. So what does this mean for the future? One possibility is that Apple is playing the long game, waiting for the hype to fade before unveiling their own AI breakthroughs. Another possibility is that Apple truly believes AI is overrated and will stick to its privacy-first approach. Either way, the debate they've sparked is forcing the world to ask a critical question. What do we really mean when we say artificial intelligence? Apple's bold statement has shaken the foundation of the AI conversation. Whether you think they're exposing the truth or just protecting their brand, one thing is clear: the AI debate is far from over. So I want to hear from you. Do you agree with Apple that AI is overhyped and maybe even fake? Or do you think Apple is just jealous of their competitors? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's talk about it. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear the other side of the AI story. Trust me, this conversation is just getting started.